Have you ever had somebody pull a pull station, set off the fire alarm, and cause all kinds of chaos? And now the glass rod is missing and broken. Well, in famous words of Fire Marshal Bill, let me show you something. The only tool you'll need for this is a 3/16 slotted screwdriver. You'll also need a replacement rod. You can see that they're scored in the middle to break easily. You can get those through your fire alarm vendor. At the top of the pull station, there is a release lever. Use your screwdriver to turn that a quarter turn. It is spring loaded. Then you'll be able to flip down the pull station. You'll find a little lever in there that says lift. That opens up the space to put the rod in. Be careful not to toggle the toggle switch. That is the actual pull station alarm switch, and it will set off the fire alarm if you're not careful.
Wow, I feel good.
It shouldn't do that.
I feel good.
What is it? It shouldn't do that. Moving on. You'll need to lift the little lever inside and then also hold the actual pull part of the pull station on the front side up against itself so that you can slide the glass rod in. Make sure the lever slides all the way back down in front of the rod. Then take your screwdriver and very carefully close the pull station back up, and you are finished.